Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. Welcome to my channel KR Wisdom Classes. Namaste to all of you. In the last video, we have discussed some numericals of chapter 8 motion of class 9. Now in this video, we will also discuss some remaining numericals of NCERT one by one. So let us start the numerical first of this video. In this numerical, what it wants to say, a bus starting from the rest moves with uniform acceleration of 0.1 meter per second square for 2 minutes. But you have to find the speed acquired and the distance traveled. How we will solve this question? Previously I told you about that, but in this video I will also explain how to solve the numericals to gain the maximum marks, as the student has facing the difficulties in solving the numericals. So first you have to write the given values. What it is given, acceleration is of 0.1 meter per second square. Whenever any object is whenever any object is starting from rest, it means its initial velocity should be 0, that is 0 meter per second. Time period is given, that is 2 minutes. You have to calculate the speed acquired. Acquired speed means the speed which the object is gaining after from the start, that is v is equal to question mark, and you have to calculate the distance traveled. We will use the equation of motion to solve these kind of the questions. So first equation of motion, by using first equation of motion, that is v is equal to u plus at. The value of v we have to find out, and the value of u is 0 plus acceleration value is 0.1. So I written it as in the decimal as a fraction, and the time period is of 2 minutes. So we will change this time period into the seconds, as the SI unit of the time period is second. So 2 minutes will multiply by the 60, that is 120 seconds it will be. So v is equals to 12 meter per second. Whenever the bus starts from rest with the acceleration of 0.1 meter per second square for 2 minutes, then the velocity acquired by the bus will be 12 meter per second. Now we have to find the s, that is distance traveled. So we will use the equation second and the equation of motion third. Out of these two equations, we can use any one of them to solve the required question. So I will use the second equation of motion. Using second equation of motion, s is equals to ut plus half at square. As we have to find the value of u and time period is 120, 1 by 2 into 1 by 10, 120 multiply 120, as the t square is given. So s is equal to 0 plus 720. So distance traveled by the bus will be 720 meter, and the velocity acquired by it is 12 meter per second. So I hope you understand how to solve these kind of the numericals. What it is given, you have to write. What you have to find out, then you have to write that value by putting the question mark. So it is clear to you that what value you have to find out. Now according to the given values, you have to use the equations of motion or any formula which is required in the questions. So you can solve the questions like this way. So please note this question so that we can proceed to the next question. I hope you are understanding what I want to explain by solving these kind of the numericals. So let us move to the next question. The next question will say that a train is traveling at a speed of 90 km per hour. Whenever in any question it is given traveling, moving, covering, like continuous tense will be there, it means after that the speed is given is to be initial velocity or initial speed, that is it is given 90 km per hour. We will change it into the meter per second by multiplying them 5 by 18, so 25 meter per second. Now brakes are applied. So whenever brakes are applied, then the vehicle will stop. So final velocity will be 0. A uniform acceleration is of minus 0.5 meter per second square. Acceleration is minus 0.5 meter per second square. But you have to find how far the train will go before it is brought to rest. So distance you have to find out. how far means distance आपको निकालना है. Next we will using time period is not given and distance we have to find. So we can find out the distance by using the second and third equation. But whenever time period is not given, then you can use the third equation of motion instead of using the second equation of motion. So using third equation of motion S, that is v square is equals to u square plus 2as. So v square minus u square upon 2a is equals to s. So by putting the value, we can get the value of s. So it is 0 minus 25 square is 625 divided by minus 2 into 0.5 will like this. So it would be 1 minus 625 upon minus 1. So minus will cancel out to each other, that is 625 meter is the correct answer of this question. Please do the numericals regularly, practice it properly so that it will be very easy to you to get the good marks in physics. So please note this question. Now we will discuss the next question. Next question. Abdul Aboy, while driving to school, compute the average speed for the trip to be 20 km per hour and return on the along the same path. His average speed would be 30. So by solving these, first average speed from A to B or from going home to school, it is 20 km per hour. On returning the same path, its speed would be 30 km per hour. To calculate these kind of the question, we have a different formula for the average speed. When the path follow is the same, then the average speed would be equal to 2 multiply v1 multiply v2 divided by v1 plus v2. Two different average speeds are given here. You can write that. So average speed of whole journey would be, we will put the values. So we will solve the questions. So the final answer would be 24 km per hour. You can solve these kind of the question whenever two different average speed of the different situations are given and they are following the same path. So the formula for the average speed would be 2 multiply v1 multiply v2, where v1 and v2 are the two different average speed, like in this question v1 plus v2. So we will use this formula to solve these kind of the question. Please note the question quickly. Now next question is a car traveling at a speed of it is word is given. So initial velocity of the car is 10 meter per second. It's brought to rest. At the rest, final velocity will be 0. Time period is of 20 seconds. But you have to calculate acceleration and distance traveled. So the formula for the acceleration is v minus u upon t. A is equal to 0 minus 10 divided by time period is of 20 minus 10 upon 20. So acceleration is of minus 0.5 meter per second square. For the distance traveled, we will use second equation of motion as the time period is given here. This is the solution of the question. So I hope you like the video. As we are doing so much numerical, so it will help you to solve the other kind of the numerical of the similar type. So please like, share, subscribe the video. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइब करें. Thank you so much for searching and seeing that video. नमस्ते, जय हिंद, जय भारत.